it's Jasmine, and today I have this emerald green halo eye for you guys. It's a very easy look, and it's something that anyone can really do, whether you are working with greens or you're working with purples, anything like that. And I actually asked you guys on Instagram what colors you wanted to see, and you guys said green, you guys said gray, anything with a halo. And so I got a lot of suggestions, and so thank you guys for answering, you know, my little color dilemma. And so I hope you guys all really enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. Oh my god, I'm like just now realizing how crazy I look, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do what I created here. So this look is actually very simple. I think I used like 3 colors. So I have some single eyeshadows here with me. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and into my transition shade. I have this shade right here that's in the Gemini by Night palette from Colourpop. I know it's discontinued, but it is just a very neutral brown. I'm applying this with my Morphe R40, and I'm keeping it not too high but not too low, and I'm also going to smoke it out just towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm not going to extend it like I normally do. I'm just going to keep it very inside the guidelines, if you will, inside the guidelines of my brow. Here I have a army green called Team Captain by Colourpop, and I'm going to apply this into my crease with my ShopMissA E135 brush. I'm going to pop this into my crease first, and I'm going to try and blend it into the transition shade. So this part you want to go very slow in because you are just going to go in with a really dark color. Now I would have loved to go in with a different green, but the greens in my collection are very limited. I only have like 3 greens in my collection. So we're just gonna work with what we have. So I'm just going to continue to blend into that transition shade and make it look as smoked out and as natural as possible. With that same color in a different brush, the E129 by ShopMissA, I'm gonna take that color and I'm going to pack it onto my eyelid. And this is just going to make it so that my whole entire eyelid is now this green color. You can leave it at this if you want, but I am going to do a halo eye. So I just want this to be like the green base. I have a single shadow by Urban Decay called Zodiac. I'm going to take this on my middle finger, and I'm going to pack this onto the center of my eye. This is just a quick halo eye. I think that if you're trying to look glam, you know, out the door, I think that this look is pretty much universal. Whether you are working with the green or you are working with nudes, this is just a quick look to just look like you spent heck of time on your makeup when in reality you really didn't. So I'm looking at my camera and it's already been 5 minutes of just me doing this eye. Super quick and super simple. So now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, and this is the Clinique Pretty Easy pen. Still has a lot of juice in it. I'm going to create a winged eyeliner with it, and then we can proceed on to lashes. We're gonna go in with our Lash Princess Mascara by Essence, and then give our lashes a nice big coat. I'm gonna line my upper waterline with the Bare Minerals Lasting Line eyeliner. I haven't used this baby in a hot minute, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm gonna take this turquoise liner and I'm gonna line my lower waterline with it. This is by Marc Jacobs. It's in the shade Whirlpool. And I'm just gonna go quite heavy because I want this to also be a base for the green so that it lasts a long time on the eyes. We're gonna take that transition color again and then apply it to our lower lash line. I'm gonna bring this fairly low because I'm gonna smoke out the green as well. With my Sigma E20, I'm gonna go ahead, stamp this onto my lower lash line, and I'm also going to set my waterline with this so that it's all a cohesive green shade. For lashes, I'm going to take my Lilly lashes in Havana again. These lashes are just so pretty, and I'm just going to apply these to my top lash line. Okay, so now let's finish off the face. Why? Here I have my... The whole thing just fell out the palette. What the fuck? I'm so confused. I'm gonna hold it up like this, it's easier anyway. That is embarrassing. Alright, so let's go into the Hoola bronzer with my Marc Jacobs brush. I'm gonna just bronze up my face, give myself a little bit of warmth. And then I'm going to take some of this Rockateur blush on my Bdellium Tools 941 brush. Haven't used this one in a while. I think that this brush is like cute if you want to like literally dust on a shade to your cheeks, like ooh. I'm pretty sure this is like a highlighting brush for your whole entire body though, but you know, it works. Oh, and before I forget, I also have a green highlight I want to pop into my inner corners. It's in the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette, and I'm just going to take the shade called Laser and pop that into the inner corner. It's very, very pretty. It's just like that nice lime green. Catches the light very well. And then with the same palette, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my skin. So I'm going to take this golden highlight here and then pop that on my cheek. It's very blinding though, like it's very white, but it looks really nice on the skin. So I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm basically just blending off the extra highlight on my skin. I was originally gonna go in with a green lip, but then I was like, you know, I have somewhere to go and I need to leave now. So I'm gonna go in with a nude lip. I have my MyLookingGlass lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. And then I'm gonna top that off with my Bite Beauty Amuse Bouge lipstick in the shade Enoki. You guys, ours up this video. I hope you guys like this really easy tutorial. Please let me know if you guys wear halo eyes or cut creases more, because I'm always curious, like what do you guys normally do? And so as always, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.